How to use Yupoo on ACBUY. So here in the ACBUY website, we can enter the product name or the link. We're gonna be entering the link. So let's first find the Yupoo seller. Select whichever Yupoo seller you want, and I'm gonna select a random product, like this watch, for example. What you wanna do is head over to the top link right here, copy it, head over to ACBUY and paste it in the search bar. Once a product appears on ACBUY, you'll be able to select details like color, size, and any other variations. ACBUY will upload quality control images once the item arrives at their warehouse. Confirm the product's accuracy and condition before proceeding. Then use ACBUY's estimator tool to calculate costs, product price, domestic shipping, international freight, and optional packaging options. Then once you confirm your order, the orders will move through phases like pending, purchased, seller shipped, and warehouse received. And then when you select your preferred international shipping method, a tracking number will be provided to you once it ships. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.